Damn, boy. You got me right, what? The shell hitting your party like this. Icy as hell. Dripping like water. Woo! Whoa. Bro. Chill. Oh, shit. Oh, bro, what is that, bro?
This client came in for a number 4 high skin fade. Begin by cutting the hair against the grain. Go over the swirl several times to get rid of all stubbles. Number 3 guard. This guard will be used over the parietal and crown area of the head, as I illustrate on this clip, to debulk the hairs for the best results. Go over the swirl area several times. Number 2 guard. This guard will be used in between the parietal and sides of the head. This guard is also part of the debulking process. Use a fine-tooth comb to get rid of all loose hairs. Next, I will add the first initial skin guideline. This style is different than most barbers because this technique gives the fade a snake-like illusion. Remove all hairs below the initial skin guideline. Beware not to apply too much pressure so you don't irritate or cut the skin. Next, use the balders to shave the hairs and make the fade tighter. This tool is a must and will set you apart from the basic barber. Second guideline, clipper lever open, aka the half guard. Go 1/2 inch width as I demonstrate with this comb. Keep consistent diameter all around the head. Next, third guideline, number 1 guard, lever open. Go up another 1/2 inch width. Repeat the same process as previous guard. Time to fade the bottom line. Start with the clipper lever close, aka number 0. I will open the lever 4 times with 1/4 inch increments for this section of the fade until lever is completely open. Next, the 1/16 guard. This time, start at the top to bottom and close clipper with 1/4 inch increments until the line gets faded. Open and close to do the detail work and use corner of the blade for best results. 1.5 guard, lever open, fade top to bottom, and the parietal area, repeat the same process as previous guard. Here's another angle of the back of the head for the bottom line. Time to prep the lineup. Use the number 3 guard to taper the edges of the hairline. Don't go past the hairline area. Number 2 guard. Repeat the same process as previous guard. Next, number 1.5 guard, repeat the same process. To get rid of the bottom line that was created with the balder, use your trimmers. Blade downward on the skin and pull the skin upwards for a better blend. If the line doesn't erase, tap it with the balders. For the front lineup, make sure you start at the center of the forehead and start on the side that's receding more so you can copy and trim the same amount on the other side. Make sure both sides are symmetrical. Go over the lineup with your straight razor, hold the blade flat on the skin, and pull the skin tight so you don't skip and cut the skin. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. I have 2 barbershops located in Orange County, California, one in San Clemente and the other one in Mission Viejo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Blah da da.
Damn, boy. You get me right, what? The shell hitting your party like this. Icy as hell. Dripping like water. Woo! Whoa, 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 bruh. Go, burn. Chill. Oh, shit, bro.